Hi there, this is our Cosen C-320NC Taiwanese machine, double column. A lot of them out there quite renowned, really good machines. This one has your chip conveyor, hydraulically driven, manual and auto operation. This one's in good condition. The only thing I noticed is the very end of the roller table. They've got side thrust rollers if you're feeding material in on an angle. One of them's missing. I meant to have two from a standard, but only has one. It's a rack style vice setup. Looking around the machine, it's it's in good condition. Well, I'll just try and take you through some of the features on it. So it's got, I'll start the hydraulic pump. So that's the hydraulics running. I'll turn the coolant on. You probably won't hear that, but it's running. You can either run it continuously or it automatically switches on when the machine's in a cutting cycle. Light, that's working. I'll get that chip conveyor going. So there it is there, just variable speed via a wee adjustable valve. That ticks over nicely. Alright, I've got it set in just a manual program. It's got the rear shuttle vice and the wee digital display here. Up and down on the bow. When going down, it's got a quick approach or rapid approach, and then when this hits the material, it slows down to the speed and force that I've got it set at. Shuttle vice. I'll just unlock that front vice. Shuttle vice, so that's going backwards and showing me its length setting there, and then forward, and then I'll push it on slow, and it has got a slow approach if you wanted that. So that's the shuttle vice there. So I'll just clamp that front vice and do a manual cut. So that's it there, and it's rapid approach. And then it's slowing right down. I've got it set virtually to stop there, just so I can show you the blade speed. So variable blade speed adjustment of the knob on here. So I'm just adjusting that fast and slow. And now I'll start to open up the valves to let it do the cutting. I'm just cutting through a bit of wood so I can plough through it. So that's its manual cycle. I'll take that up and have a look at the auto cycle. So I have got a program in here, one at 15, oh sorry, two cuts at 15 and one at 10. So basically clamp the front vice, set it to auto, and push go. So that's doing a cleaning cut. It's moved back 15mm, clamped the material, done that cut, feed it through 15mm. Finish that cut, feed through another 15. Going back for its next bite at 10. when it raises up, it remembers the material height, so just raises up enough to clear the material. And it's doing its last cut at 10 there. So that's the manual and the auto cycle. Really good quality machines. This one's in good condition and all set to go.